Hello guys, this is the part 2 of our YouTube series. So, load up your episode 1 projects from your computer. Scratch project 4KB. It must be that yesterday. Okay, this is our project that we did yesterday. Now, this is the episode 2. Yesterday we done only 7 blocks. That when I receive, just delete that blocks. I'm gonna tell that again. So yesterday it was like this, depending on my browser. My things are like this, my YouTube logo. So I copied my YouTube logo. If you can change your creative thing, my creation is this. Okay, now what we can add in this episode 2. We can add more codes for the YouTube button. When I click this YouTube logo, it'll come like an app. So when I click here, YouTube just came. And I can see some videos. Just like that, I'm gonna do it. So just go to the events categories and get this when the sprite is clicked block. It needs to do an action when the sprite is clicked. What can we do? For this, I'm going to make some costumes. So, click paint. And I'm going to name it as animation 1. But when I'll duplicate this after I make this. When I duplicate it, the animation 2 is already there. We don't need to change it. That's really good. It's a tool from scratch. So in this, I'm gonna get the square rectangular tool and no outline at all. And same pure white. Oh no, what happened? Okay, pure white 0000. Just same as that 0000. Now I'm gonna finish this whole 180 by 180 square. Just copy these lines. That'll be 478 by 352 or anything you like. Or when I do this, it'll also cover the whole screen, whole stage of Scratch. Maybe it is a little more not bigger yet. The width, this side of the width, also not bigger yet. Is it biggest now? Yeah, it is covering the whole stage. Now I'm gonna also choose the rectangular tool. Just click on this select tool, copy it, paste it. Now for this, I'm gonna make it to 0, 100, 100. So it's really bright red. Really bright red. Just like this one. 0 is 100, 100. Now, this is same as copy of the white at the back side. But I need to make it go up so it covers whole stage. Because when we copy it, it'll not be at the same position. Because we cannot see it when it's on the same position. Because it is the same color when we duplicate it. So Scratch has a tool like that. So it moves a little, so we know it. That's really good. So we have a white layer at the back side and a red layer at the front side. So we got it. Now we have the logo dot. Now I'm going to get the text tool and I need to delete something. It is your creation. That's why I did put a back. At the back, I did put white thing. That's because one creation is there. I'm going to show you. This will not go viral. I didn't say that. Look at this. I draw this as rectangular shape. And I can also erase with this eraser tool. So I'm going to just undo it. So I have this thing so I can do it. But my backside layer will go out. So to do this, I'm going to select the backside layer, only the backside layer, and make it go forward. Now, I'm going to go and I'm going to duplicate and copy the white thing but delete from here. Now, I'm going to make a new sprite and paste that here. So this is our thing. Now I need to make a round rectangle thing right there. So to do this, I'm going to make this color to bright red without no outline. And then we'll leave some space and put it right here like this. That's my creation, dude. And I'm going to write here with pixel art. I'll write YouTube, full of capital letters. Make it really big, as you want. It's depending on your creation. Okay, now I have this. Now first, in the animation 1, I can get all this. I can just delete all of things from animation 1 and just copy these all and delete this costume 1 and paste it right here. So I have it here. Now I'm going to do this is animation 1. So go to the paint or the text tool, and now I'm going to change the pixel art to marker. So I'm going to do is first loading. I'm going to write loading with white, any color you like, instead of red. Red makes it invisible because the outline is red. I'm going to put it right here. Oh no, I forgot something. Dot, 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 because it's loading. So an animation is there. Okay, first it shows it is loading. Now we gotta duplicate all of these costumes and just change this loading only. So loading, now I'm gonna make it as starting. Okay, now you can add anything you like. So that's what mine is. So if you need, you can just make this little tinier and make it follow to this side like this, or this big. So first it'll be small and first a little big. So that's good. So if you need it. So I'm not adding that. So first go to the code now. I'm done with the things that we have. Now we are getting to the code when this part is clicked block. So when this sprite is clicked, go to the My Blocks categories and make a block. I'm gonna name it Start Animation. Start YouTube. Anything you like. Don't click on this Run Without Screen Refresh option and click OK. Okay, now I'm gonna put this block right here. Make it more cleaner. So start YouTube when the sprite is clicked. Okay, now when I'm starting the YouTube, I think I'll go to the Lux categories and get the switch animation to block and make it as logo for this now. And I will wait for 0.1 seconds. That is this much. Okay, that's all. Now I'm going to duplicate these two blocks and make it as animation 1 the second time. Again, I'm going to duplicate, but just like that. I'm going to delete the wait 0.1 block and make it to animation 2. Just click on that block. That is not better. Look at that. It is at the corner now. It is not fully sitting on the stage. To make this really good, you can just change its position from the costume section, or you can just make it that it goes to another position when it is starting the YouTube. So I'm going to just click the green flag. So now when I click this, it'll start from the corner. But let me go to the costumes and switch costume to animation 1 and get this and put it right here where I need it now. I need it to be, let me see in the full screen mode. This is better. So when it is starting YouTube, at the first line, don't put switch under to the logo down or anything down. At the first, I'm going to set its position to what is your liking. So mine liking is go to x minus 1 and y minus 1. Same. Click the green flag. Nothing works. It is really good. We positioned it correctly at the first time at the settings. Now this is working. Click it. But look at that. A little. It is at the middle now. It's showing at the middle when we click it, because it waits when it did the switch costume to logo. Just delete the first 0.1 block. That we don't need. Click it. That is not showing it now at the middle. So it is starting now. Look at that. Loading starting. It was first loading. So we need to see some loading also. So I'm going to wait for 0.4 seconds. That's really good for me. You can play with these values and make change. So this is all for this episode. This is all we have time for this episode. Bye guys! Okay, one more thing I need to tell you. I said now I'm going to tell you what is in the episode 3. In the episode 3, we will make some costumes if needed. Maybe it is on the another else videos. So in this, we will continue like this and discover more at the another episodes. Bye guys!